Huvila House by Jenni Reuter in PARGAS, Finland. The task was to design an environmentally friendly building, gentle to the senses. An architecture that would embrace a comfortable life with simple and genuine materials. A healthy home for a client who is sensitive to certain chemicals and electromagnetic fields. The architecture aimed to be contemporary, with integrated local handicraft and art. The site is on the edge of a forest next to a large field. The process started from scratch since neither the client nor the design team could be sure of what materials would be suitable regarding the chemical sensitivity. During the testing phase, the client kept some of the building material samples in her sleeping room to ensure their adequacy. During the initial design meeting, a skillful team was composed to be in charge of the whole building process. The curiosity towards the unusual task created a collaborative creative process that lasted throughout the demanding design and construction process. The leading idea in the design was to keep the construction solutions simple and use monolithic materials that can regulate the room humidity and improve the indoor air quality. The spatial solutions are divided into a wooden part and a masonry part. The entrance and bathroom wings are made from massive, load-bearing, insulating, burnt clay blocks, and the living part of the building is built of aspen logs. Aspen contains a small amount of terpenes, meaning that the building won't have a strong smell of wood. The wooden part has a gabled roof with the glazed high orangery space as an exception. Next to the bedroom, there is a veranda without insulation. It creates a thin building skin between the interior and the exterior. Here you can ventilate your textiles, feel the presence of nature more intensely, and listen to the wind and rain. The fireplace is situated in the middle of the building, creating an energy-efficient heart. Every space has natural daylight with an individual framed view of the exterior. The openings to the forest are smaller while the views towards the fields are more generous. A small inner courtyard towards the forest has a rowan tree in the middle. Its intimate scale creates an outdoor room with the sky as its roof. The building is lifted from the ground to keep the constructions ventilated. The interior spaces are naturally ventilated. The skillfully executed handicraft in the construction marks the human memory of the execution. Special attention is paid to the detailing in the wooden railings, the shingle cladding walls, the work with natural stone, and the storage furniture. Ceramic artist Kristina Rizka has made a place-specific piece of art in the plastering next to the main entrance. Her sculptures are also placed next to the fireplace and the window niche towards the inner courtyard. Carefully chosen contemporary art is visible throughout the interior. The multisensory experience in the building is gentle. The smell is absent, and the acoustics of the building is soft, creating a smooth and warm atmosphere in the spaces. The bodily spatial interior experience is strong. At the lowest point, you can touch the ceiling while the highest point is over 4 meters above your head. The outer skin of the building is painted green, blending into the pine forest. The interior of the log part is unpainted. As a jewelry box.